Hello friends, welcome to Biochem. Now today I am going to teach you Wolf-Kishner reduction. So guys, please subscribe this channel. This is my request. Okay, now let's start. Wolf-Kishner reduction. So how can you define it? Wolf-Kishner reduction. So when either aldehyde or ketones are treated with the hydrogen, okay, treated with hydrogen in alkaline medium, alcoholic KOH in alkaline medium to give the alkane, and nitrogen gas evolved there. Other product are the nitrogen and water. So alkane can be obtained by this Wolf-Kishner reduction. So this way we can define. Now suppose our compound is aldehyde. Suppose RC=OH. This is the aldehyde. Then plus hydrogen NH2. This is the hydrogen in presence of the alcoholic KOH. Okay, KOH. On heating we get what? Alkane. So RCH here 3 RCH3. Okay, this compound and water plus N2. Okay, this is the alkane. Now for example, this is the general formula. Now suppose our aldehyde is the CH3 COOH. This is the ethanol, then NH2 hydrogen, alcoholic KOH. We get the what? CH3 and CH3, ethane plus water plus nitrogen gas. Okay, now if the compound is ketone, RC=O R ketone, then hydrogen NH2 hydrogen in alcoholic KOH, we get the RCH2R alkane plus water plus nitrogen gas. Okay, now for example here CH3 C=O and CH3. So propanone, hydrogen NH2 and NH2, hydrogen in presence of alcoholic KOH. On heating we get the CH3, CH2 and CH3 and propane plus water plus nitrogen gas. Okay, so this way we can obtain the alkane by the reduction of aldehyde or ketone. So what reaction? Wolf-Kishner reduction. So Wolf-Kishner reduction when either aldehyde or ketone treated with the hydrogen in presence of alcoholic KOH, we get the alkane, water and the nitrogen gas. Then this reaction is called the Wolf-Kishner reduction. So this reaction is used for preparation of the alkane. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.